Hey everybody, it's Carrie Mitchell from Yellow Dog Real Estate. I'm standing inside this beautiful home on 108 8th Avenue in the Friendly Acres neighborhood of Redwood City. This is a 3-bedroom, 1-bath. The bedrooms are huge, brand new landscaping. It's a really open floor plan, lots of natural light. I think you're gonna love it. I hope you love this house. If you want more information, you can log on to the website 1080 8th Avenue, that's EIGHTH Avenue.com, or you can call me or have your agent call me at 650-868-5779. Thanks for coming by. Have a great day.